Go to Windows Search, type CMD, and open the comment prompt. Our first command is help. We can see all commands in here. Today we discuss a few of important commands, and I will make more videos like this. MD or mkdir creates a directory or a folder. rmdir removes a directory or a folder. cls we use to clear screen. First, we are go where we want to create a folder, we create a desktop. Desktop our file path. Before we created a folder, we check mkdir help command. Our folder path is desktop, and I give the file name test03. You can give your choice. This my new folder, test03, already done. Now I delete a folder, the path is desktop also, we use the command is rmdir, and my file name is test03. Already deleted test03. Our last command is very useful, please complete the video. A trib command used for hiding any folder or important files. You can check help command to understand more. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to inspire me to make more videos. I already created a file on the desktop, test03. We want to make is a hidden attribute used to command a trib. My desktop file test03 cannot see anymore. Now we can clears attribute file or make visible using -perimeter. My test03 file already visible. Again go to search, type CMD and open with administrator. Check disk is a system tool that scans your hard drive for bad sectors. Checking my disk. And my disk no found any bad sectors. You can research more with help command.